Gunlock is another company locally that seems to understand having an amazing, how important it is to have an amazing culture. I remember pulling into their parking lot and seeing special parking for people who are driving hybrid cars and special parking for people who are doing ride sharing. That tells you something, that they care. And those people literally have to walk 10 feet to the door, right? Because they know that that's important. They care about their environment, they care about their community, and they're trying to show that to their employees. They give, Han Industries owns them and has a number of other companies like, Harmon Stoves and stuff, so they can get amazing deals on that. And they have a child, they get really cool gifts, and when they get married, they get cool gifts. And it's just one of those companies that really lets their employees know that they're part of something greater than themselves. And they're just a joy to work with, and we really appreciate having them in a community. If you want to work for somebody really cool, that's another place in our area that you're probably going to be treated really well if you're a rock star. If you're not, you probably need not apply, because we only partner with rock stars, so you can be assured that if you don't match up or measure up with our company, you're probably not going to measure up with our other customers. So you want to go over to Tom's Liquor and work there, you probably better be a rock star. You want to go over and work at Farm Credit, you better be a rock star. They're not going to settle for less. Thank you so much, guys. You have a great day. We're going to do this again next month. We're partnering with the Spotlight Theater right here in town. So I just want to make you aware, on the weekend of the 10th, so that'll be the 9th, 10th, and 11th of March, we're going to have another event over there, another team recognition party from my company. But on those 3 days, they've agreed to allow us to keep 2 of our barrels for food donations over there. So please, 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 if you're so inclined, give. It's after Sunday, we're gonna go over, we're gonna pick up the food, take it back over to Turning Point for them, and we're gonna help out the people in the communities that we serve. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day.